In this tutorial, we'll look at how you launch Zoom in order to start a live session with the students that you'll be substituting with. Now, not every district will use Zoom. Others will use the built-in conferences function that Canvas comes with, or some other web conferencing software. But Zoom is pretty common, and this tutorial will actually look at how you would launch it directly from the Canvas interface if your district has paid for that integration. So let's go ahead and look at the left side of the menu here. And you can see that there is a Zoom button. Now, many teachers will also add a button or some sort that goes directly to that page. And so, for example, here I have a Go to Zoom button, and that's something that we do in our district. But if not, then you'll see it over here. And if you don't have it within Canvas itself, then you would launch it directly from the Zoom interface, assuming that the teacher has given you access. Now, the nice thing about having the Zoom built into Canvas by paying for that, when another teacher or somebody that has access to this, to basically the teacher side of things, when they click in here, it's going to make them a co-host, and so you would be able to then launch a session. So you can see here I have my recorded meetings or my recurring meetings, and this is really just the exact same meeting over and over and over. You can see the meeting ID there. And so all you would do is you'd click Start, and that's going to launch into the Zoom interface, and you click Open there, and that brings it to, let's let it load here for a second, brings it to the actual Zoom client. And so you're going to have to sign in. Here's the,
this meeting is being recorded.
You can see that our district, there's my big face. I'm going to stop video there for a second. That our district actually uses the automatic recording function so that our students can then go view it. But that's how you get into Zoom, and then to end it, you just hit End and End Meeting for now.